What's up, Fishing 24/7? How are you doing today? I'm glad you can join me on this trip at Aurora Reservoir in Aurora, Colorado. I'm going to show you how to catch more fish here. I'll catch you in a bit.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. Seven. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as Seven. Seven, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to Seven, a couple things you have to talk about. Fish, snacks, and sleep. Okay, so you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
I'm going to show you my rig. Small hook, about an 18-inch leader, and a teardrop weight. The first thing I do is try to find out what they're taking. I use different kind of power bait. On this one, I'm going to put cheese power bait. So the other one, I would use corn power bait. I would leave it out there for about half an hour and then change power bait. This is pretty much all you need. Make sure it floats. Cast it out there as far as you can. That's one thing. I would cast one rod out far, and then the other rod I would keep closer in. Now we wait. Try to tease him. There you go. And you can't get fresher than this. Right there. Can't get fresher than that. This one is pink. Cast it out as far as you can. Make sure your power bait floats before you cast it out. And then we wait. It's a brand new bell from Eagle Claw. This one was cast way out there. Pink power bait. corner of the mouth, right there. Boom. It's hooked to the side of the mouth like that. So it's easy. There he goes. And that's how you catch more fish. Corner of the mouth. Boom, just shake it off. Let him go. Oh, right between the trees. That's a nice fish. Alright. Check out the hook set right on the lip of the fish. And that's how you increase your catch rate at Aurora Reservoir in Aurora, Colorado. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help this channel grow. And check out other videos on this channel. I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing. Alright. Okay. Look how beautiful she is. Look at the colors on her.